This video is to assist salons in dealing or remedying a common error that happens when a salon sets up its service menu within the SnapSnip ecosystem. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like, what the problem looks like. When you are logged into SnapSnip and you click on Unassessed Snaps, which show you the snaps that come in through the ecosystem when a client submits them, you click on View, and you'll look at the client's existing canvas, their desired result, and you want to assess the snap or make service recommendations to share with the front desk. You'll click on the drop-down menu for the recommended services. And you'll notice here where you have the word full highlight and full highlights, they're the same service, but because they're typed in differently in the service setup, SnapSnip thinks that they're two separate services. And so services have to be entered the exact same way for each level of stylist that you enter in the setup. And so if you spell full highlight one way and then spell it a different way, SnapSnip will think it's two separate services. Same thing here. You can see men's haircut. You've got it spelled with a capital letter for each word, and then down here you have haircut as one word with a lowercase c, and then down here you can see it's three different partial highlights. So you have the partial highlights spelled one way. You got a T in here, so the word height is, or the word highlights is spelled incorrectly here. Here it's spelled correctly, and here it's singular versus plural. And so it's going to put that service three different times. Down here with special occasion, you have special occasion spelled with one S. You have it down here, let's see, here it's spelled S-P-E-C-A-I-L, and then S-P-C-E-C-I-A-L, and then down here you have it with a plural. And so how you remedy this, and this is a very common thing, it's also case sensitive. So if you were to spell full highlight the same way, but have lowercase f and lowercase h, SnapSnip would make it two separate services. So it's an easy fix. You'll just come into the settings menu, and then you'll click on services, and then down in here you'll find, so like here you've got full highlight spelled a certain way, and then you've got partial highlight spelled a certain way, and I would say that those are both correct. So now I need to go down, and here you can see it's plural. So I need to take the S off, and then I need to take, well, I'll just do this one for now for an example, and then I'll click Save Changes. And then we'll keep going down. We're just going to deal with full highlight. And we'll save that change. And then let's see again. We'll just put full highlight. Save that change. And these are the different levels. So you can see this salon has 5 levels. And so we saved those, and now we'll go back to that same snap. And then down here you can see now we only have one service for full highlight. And so this salon would go back and do the same thing for all of these different services. So as you set up your service menu, try to be vigilant. Maybe like set up the first level and then cut and paste rather than typing each one. We're working on possibly adding a duplicate button, and then you would only have to change the prices. But you know, the cost of development is significant, so we're not quite there yet. But in the meantime, this is how you fix a very common problem within the SnapSnip ecosystem setup.